Imagine walking deep into the Amazon rainforest, feeling the damp air, and suddenly sensing a shadow above you. Looking up, you see a creature so massive that it resembles a human, wearing a terrifying feathered monster costume. With a height of nearly 1 meter and an intense stare, it looks like a creature from ancient legends. This is the Harpy Eagle, one of the most powerful and bizarre-looking avian predators on the entire planet. Its strange facial disc of feathers and massive body make many people mistake it for a cryptid monster. Many travelers have reported being frozen in fear, thinking they encountered a humanoid beast in the deep jungle. But science reveals a perfect biological hunter designed to rule the highest canopy of the Amazon rainforest. Welcome to Continent vs. Ocean. Today we decode the biological weapons and terrifying power of the Harpy Eagle. To understand this avian giant, we must look closer at its physical size and massive predatory hardware. Female Harpy Eagles are true giants, weighing up to 9 kilograms, twice as heavy as their male counterparts. Their bodies are built for pure power, displaying thick neck muscles and a chest designed for sudden violent movements. This physical scale gives them the strength to target and lift large prey that other eagles cannot touch. The most terrifying feature of the Harpy Eagle is its feet equipped with claws of shocking dimensions. Its rear talons measure up to 12 centimeters long, which is larger than the claws of a grizzly bear. These sharp curved daggers are designed to pierce deep into the flesh and crush the bones of prey. When a Harpy Eagle grabs its victim, its talons apply a crushing pressure of over 700 pounds per square inch. This pressure is enough to puncture tough skulls, instantly shattering bones and causing immediate clean death. Such mechanical force easily surpasses the grip strength of a human or even a large guard dog. Unlike eagles of the open plains, the Harpy has a relatively short but extremely broad wingspan. Measuring around 2 meters across, these wings are shaped specifically for maneuvering through the thick jungle canopy. This aerodynamic design allows them to fly between dense branches, avoiding obstacles with incredible agility and control. Their short wings provide maximum lift, allowing the eagle to take off carrying prey equal to its weight. This flight capability requires massive pectoral muscles, which make up a large portion of their body mass. Combined with their broad tail feathers, they can steer, slow down, and change direction in midair instantly. Their eyes contain a high density of visual receptors, providing vision 8 times sharper than a human. They can spot a small movement of a leaf or animal from a distance of several hundred meters. This visual precision allows them to track targets hiding in the complex shadows of the forest canopy. However, maintaining this massive physical weaponry requires a constant supply of rich, high-protein mammal meat. Every day, this top predator must hunt to fuel its high metabolism and maintain its muscle strength. Its biological design is fine-tuned for a specific hunting strategy suited for the Amazon's tallest trees. The Harpy Eagle is a master of the sit-and-wait hunting tactic, using extreme patience to find food. It sits silently on high branches, sometimes remaining completely motionless for several hours at a time. From these emergent trees, it scans the canopy below, listening and watching for any small disturbance. Its primary targets are tree-dwelling mammals, specifically slow-moving sloths and active canopy monkeys. Sloths, despite their camouflage and slow movement, are a favorite prey due to their high fat content. Monkeys like howlers and capuchins represent a more agile target that requires speed and precision. When a target is selected, the eagle launches itself from the branch, starting a silent dive. Plunging through the canopy, it reaches speeds of up to 80 kilometers per hour in seconds. Its flight is completely silent thanks to specialized soft feathers that muffle the rushing wind. The unsuspecting prey has no warning of the massive feathered missile rushing toward them. In a fraction of a second, the eagle slams into the animal with immense kinetic energy. The impact alone is often enough to knock a heavy sloth off its branch, sending it falling. Simultaneously, the giant talons lock onto the victim, crushing the ribs or skull in a tight grip. The eagle then carries the heavy carcass back to its high nest or eats it on a branch. If the prey is too heavy to carry, the eagle will consume it in pieces on the forest floor. This hunting efficiency makes the Harpy Eagle the undisputed king of the tropical forest canopy. No other bird of prey can match their success rate or target such large mammalian species. However, hunting in dense leaves poses a major challenge: how to locate prey that is completely hidden. Visual sight alone is not enough when thick foliage blocks the view of a sleeping sloth. To solve this, the Harpy Eagle has evolved a secondary sensory weapon that few realize exists. The eagle possesses a unique facial disc of feathers, a feature normally found in nocturnal owls. These specialized feathers form a circular ruff around its face, which can be raised at will. This structure acts like an acoustic satellite dish, gathering and funneling sound waves directly to its ears. This acoustic adaptation allows the eagle to hear the faint rustling of leaves and animal movements. By turning its head, it can pinpoint the exact origin of a sound even through dense vegetation. This combination of sharp vision and acoustic targeting makes escaping from a harpy eagle nearly impossible. Its auditory system is so precise it can track a monkey moving under layers of branches. This evolutionary adaptation was shaped over millions of years of isolated development in tropical rainforests. Ancient ancestors of the harpy eagle diverged from other eagles to exploit the rich forest canopy. In this dense environment, traditional soaring methods were useless, forcing a complete redesign of their bodies. Their short, powerful wings and long tail evolved to provide the control needed for canopy flight. The skull evolved to accommodate the facial disc and larger ear openings for acoustic hunting. These specialized features cemented their position at the top of the Amazon food chain. They have no natural predators in the sky ruling the canopy without any threat. Even large jungle cats like jaguars rarely cross paths with a nesting harpy eagle. Only human activity poses a serious threat to the survival of this magnificent ancient bird. Their specialized biology, while powerful, makes them extremely sensitive to changes in their habitat. A complex biological machine like the harpy requires huge areas of undisturbed forest to survive. When the forest is fragmented, their hunting grounds disappear, leading to local extinctions. This vulnerability is multiplied by one of the slowest reproductive rates in the avian world. Harpy eagles reproduce very slowly, raising only a single chick every 2 to 3 years. They build massive nests in the forks of the tallest emergent trees high above the canopy. These nests, made of large branches and leaves, can measure over 1.5 meters wide. The female usually lays 2 eggs, but a harsh biological rule dictates their survival. Once the first egg hatches, the parents focus all their energy and food on that single chick. The second egg is ignored and fails to hatch, where the second chick dies of neglect. This strategy ensures that at least one strong offspring survives rather than 2 weak ones. The single chick remains in the nest for up to 10 months, relying entirely on parents. Even after leaving the nest, the young eagle stays close, learning to hunt for another year. This long period of parental care demands a massive investment of time and energy from adults. Because of this slow cycle, a population cannot recover quickly if adult eagles are killed. The biggest threat to their survival is the rapid destruction of the Amazon rainforest. Logging destroys the ancient tall emergent trees that these eagles require for nesting. Without these nesting sites, breeding pairs cannot reproduce, causing populations to collapse. Additionally, some people shoot them out of fear, mistaking their giant size for a threat. As an apex predator, the harpy eagle plays a vital role in balancing the rainforest ecosystem. By hunting sloths and monkeys, they prevent these populations from overeating and destroying the canopy foliage. This predatory control keeps the entire forest healthy, ensuring a diverse and stable environment. If the harpy eagle disappears, the delicate balance of the Amazon canopy will be broken. Protecting this giant bird means preserving the massive ancient forests they call home. The harpy eagle is not a mythological monster, but a marvel of evolutionary adaptation. It is the true king of the Amazon skies, a silent guardian of the jungle canopy. Respecting this predator is essential to saving the biodiversity of our living planet. Are you ready to explore the deepest ocean and meet its most intelligent killer? Click this video to discover why the ocean's deadliest predator refuses to hunt humans.